Minister, the Finance Minister just came by a few minutes ago. He said that the final budget figure won't be set. He says there is some room for flexibility, though. Labour has been looking for £2.5 billion as a maximum adjustment. How hopeful are you of securing that limit?
Well, first of all, what I have been saying since the beginning of the summer is that there is a target that has to be met, and we will meet that target. But I do not believe that it is necessary to make an adjustment of 3.1 billion in order to meet that target. No figure has yet been agreed, no cannot be agreed until much closer to the budget, when we will have a lot more information and a lot more of the returns going to be used.
Thank you. Minister, Michael Newton just said that there is flexibility in terms of the budget adjustments. I know Labour are hoping for a 2.5 billion limit. Do you think this is realistic at this stage?
Well, I mean, we're gathering the data. It's an early budget. Some of the projections we're doing are less firm than normal because they're not end-of-year figures. It's going to be very difficult. There are pent-up demands now that we have held back increases. In fact, we've been implementing decreases for a number of years, and we know there are real pressures in our economy. But our common objective is to work towards the deficit that we've agreed, restore confidence in our economy, and ultimately then have a platform for growth and jobs.